Hey people, welcome to karmatech. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 hidden keyboard shortcuts which is present in your Mac but many MacBook users don't know about this. We are going to start the video, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's start with the first hidden shortcut, and that is for brightness and audio. Now suppose if I want to increase the audio, I'm going to press volume up button, but you can see it is increasing the volume with one whole bar. And if I want to decrease the volume, it is decreasing the volume with one whole bar. But what if I want to increase or decrease the volume little by little? Then in that case, you can just simply use the shortcut, that is press Option plus Shift. And if I press volume up button, you can see it is increasing the volume, but it is increasing it little by little. And similarly, it works with decreasing the volume. If you want to decrease the volume, again press Option plus Shift. And if you press volume down button, you can see it is decreasing the volume little by little. This same shortcut also works with brightness. If I press Option plus Shift, and if I want to increase the brightness, you can see it is increasing it little by little. And if I want to decrease it, you can see it is again decreasing it little by little. So it's an interesting hidden shortcut which many users don't know about. Now the next keyboard shortcut is also very interesting. Suppose if you want to go to a specific setting like display, then what we do is we go to system settings, then we select display option, and then we are going to change anything which we want. But instead of following this long step, you can use the hidden shortcut, and that is if you press option and if I press brightness key on the keyboard, it will directly take me to display setting. Now you can see I don't have to follow the long step. And not only that, if I want to suppose if I want to do any setting related to sound, then if I press option and volume up key, it will take me to sound settings. Now it works with many other things like suppose if I want to check out Bluetooth details, I'm not going to go and select Bluetooth and then select Bluetooth settings. Instead of that, I am going to press option, and if I tap on Bluetooth option over here, it will display all the options over here. So it can display the Bluetooth name, the address, the version, and you can it will also display the devices which I am connected to. Again, if you press option and if you tap on Wi-Fi, it will display the Wi-Fi option or the other settings for which I need to go in Wi-Fi settings. So no need to follow the long step. You can check out the basic details here itself. So the next shortcut is for Finder. Now we all know that there is no option to quit the Finder. If I go and select Finder over here, no quit option over here. And if I try to press Command plus Q, nothing is going to happen. So in order to close Finder, we have to just select this close option. But if I open any other application and if I press Command Q, it will quit the application completely from background as well. So that shortcut is not working in Finder. If I press Command plus Q, nothing is happening. But instead of that, you can use Command plus W and it will close Finder. But yeah, it is not going to close Finder completely. It is still running in the background, but there is a shortcut to just close Finder, and that is Command and W. You don't have to go and select close option each and every time. So this is a small hidden keyboard shortcut which many MacBook users really don't know about. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.